Hi, welcome to the last part of the Shopify app challenge, where I built a Shopify app using AI tool in only 24 hours. And currently we are on the last part where I submit the Shopify app and it's currently approved by the Shopify team. So let's go to the screen and they will show you the final product so you can check it out and also you can test it yourself. So here we are. I submit the submission to the Shopify App Store in February, the 2nd of February, and it's currently submitted. And I had a couple of issues. I will share it with you right now. So the first one, there's like some technical issue because the app redirects to an error page after the installation. It was an issue with the after auth hook, and also there is some issue in the app listing where I have to explain the app in details. So this is all the issue that I had with the app submission. One technical issue and the other one was related to the Shopify app listing, and one to the screenshot because I was mentioning some email. It was like a fake emails, but it was showing in the screenshot, so I have to blur it out. So after going back and forth with the Shopify team, I managed to solve all the issue, and I think within 9 days the Shopify app has been approved. And this is the email that I got when the Shopify app has been approved. And let's see the app listing right. So this is the Shopify app in the Shopify App Store. It's called the Waitlist. We have the name like in the first part of the video. If you don't watch the first part, I will leave it in the card right now. You will see it popping up. And this is some screenshot. These screenshots are from a previous Shopify app that I ordered a screenshot service, and I changed the design and the copy to be able to match what the Shopify app does. So we have advanced reporting, we have automated notification. Okay, so this is the Shopify app, nothing crazy. We don't have any review right yet. And let's go and I will show you the Shopify app. So this is the dashboard for the Shopify app. I made adjustment to the UI and the UX of the app while waiting for the approval from the Shopify App Store team. And this is currently the stage. So we have this nice key metrics. We have this nice chart. It's like from Shopify polarized viz library. And we have the list of the waitlist right now. So we can go to the waitlist. We can see this chart of all the email open, viewed, checkout complete, because I use the Shopify Web Pixel extension to be able to track conversion. If we go to app settings, I also improved the settings. In the email settings, I add email tracking so I can track email opening, and also the product link. I can track that. We have like a product and checkout tracking. This is where I was using Shopify Web Pixel to be able to track conversion, using the session to be able to track it from the product page until checkout. I was using a session to be able to track it from the start until the end of the Shopify checkout process. And we have the priority level currently. The customer can set, for example, if it's like a first customer or like a prepaid customer, if have like a special tag, for example, VIP will have higher priority. If they are like a spend over like $100, something like this, medium, it will be first time buyer. It's like a someone who have an account but doesn't like make any purchase, previous month spend. And if in like a low level, we don't have any rules. So if the email does not match any of this rule, it will go to the low level by default. And also we have like this email performance page where we'll be tracking all the email. For example, this one has like an email opened. This one, like the link inside the email has been clicked and the product has been viewed but not purchased. For example, this one link has been clicked and checkout has started. So they go to the add to the cart and click to be able to complete the checkout but doesn't complete the checkout. And also we can preview the email. For example, this is the email, and here we have like the product management, so you can enable, disable the product, delete it. For example, I will delete this one. You can add new products. Let's go here. So has been added. And this is like the final app, so you can try it yourself. You can just go to app.shopify.com/waitwise and you can install it. It's free. It doesn't have any paid plan right now. You can play around. If you found any bugs, any issue, just let me know, ping me. I will be happy to be able to fix that issue. And I think that will be it for this challenge. I hope you get some value from this challenge. If you have any question, any comment, any new video that you would like me to cover for Shopify, let me know in the comment section. And I'm currently working on new Shopify dev related video, so just stay tuned and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so we'll get all the new Shopify dev related video. And thank you so much. And also you can check all the previous part at the end of the video, and also the full part will be posted this week, and you can watch the full challenge in one video. So just stay tuned and you will receive a notification when the video is coming out. Thank you so much.